Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to set playback speed for TikTok videos. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open TikTok app on your device. Once you are on this page, scroll down to any video of which you want to change the playback speed of. I will choose this video. Now tap on the share icon. Here at the last row, when you swipe, you will see a playback speed icon. Right now mine is set to normal, but if you want to change it, just tap on any number from these given options. If you tap on 2x or 5x, it will increase the video speed. And if you tap on 5x, it will make the playback speed slow. Another thing to keep in mind that whenever you scroll down to next video, the speed will be normal. It does not change automatically, you have to change it manually for each video. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.